Looking for a budget-friendly packet-sized camera to record your daily activities? We're here to find out whether the Kodak Pixpro C1 can be considered such a device or rather an expensive toy for 2026. First, let's take a look at its features. The Kodak Pixpro C1 is a small, portable 13 megapixel camera intended for casual photographers and vloggers. This model is equipped with a 26 mm 2.0 lens and a 2.8-inch tilted up to 180-degree LCD screen, thus becoming quite convenient for taking selfies and group photos. The camera uses a non-removable rechargeable battery with a capacity of 700 mAh, capable of taking about 200 photos on one charge. In addition, it supports recording video with a resolution of up to 1000 pixels with a frame rate of 60 FPS. Available for $99, the Pix Pro C1 can undoubtedly be called budget-friendly and easy to use. For its performance and limitations, when it comes to performance, that is where the toy concept takes effect. While it performs well outdoors in brightly lit areas and produces acceptable photos, it struggles under low light due to the limited capacity of the 1/3 inch BSI CMOS sensor. Optical image stabilization is not available, and as fixed focus device, you will have to maintain a minimum distance of 60 centimeters to ensure that your pictures are clear. However, it features macro shooting at 8 centimeters away. Digital zoom is rather poor, with blurry pictures as a result, and the shutter delay may be a bit on the slower side in comparison to phones. Overall, is it worth it? If you are specifically looking for a compact camera for digicam style photos, street photography, or just some blogging without your phone in hand, then Pixpro C1 is perfect for you. In case of professional quality or light sensitivity, disappointment is inevitable. All in all, it is an old school, cost effective, but flawed attempt at something for people who enjoy taking pictures rather than perfect quality. If you fancy it, give it a try and tell us what you think in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe for more such reviews.